Causative verbs express when one person causes another to do something. Let is a causative verb that means to allow or give permission to someone to do something. It shows permission in a casual, natural way. The structure for let is simple. Subject plus let plus object plus base form of the verb with no to. For example, Mom let me watch TV. Mom is subject, let is causative verb, me is object, watch is base verb. Here are basic examples. Mom let me watch TV means Mom gave permission for me to watch. Teacher let us leave early means teacher permitted us to go before normal time. Notice always use base verb form. Let has many synonyms but different formality. Allow, permit, authorize, enable all means similar to let, but allow needs to infinitive. Let is most casual and common in everyday speech. Dad let me drive the car means Dad permitted driving. She let the children play outside shows permission for activity. Please let me help you is polite request for permission to assist. She let me use her laptop means she permitted laptop usage. They let us stay late shows extended permission. We let him drive demonstrates allowing someone specific action. Let and allow both mean permission but different structure. Mom let me go uses base verb. Mom allowed me to go uses to infinitive. Let sounds more natural, casual, allow more formal. Key rules for let. Always use base verb form, never to infinitive. Let gives informal permission. Structure is subject, let, object, base verb. Practice using let in your own sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.